Understanding passive income, a comprehensive guide. Passive income represents a powerful financial opportunity for individuals seeking to diversify their income streams and achieve financial independence. Defined as money earned with minimal ongoing effort, passive income comes from various sources such as rental properties, dividends from stocks, online courses, and more. This article dives deep into the nuances of passive income, its differences from active and portfolio income, and explores 25 strategies to generate passive income in 2024. Key takeaways. Definition: passive income is money you earn without active and regular engagement. IRS regulations. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, has specific criteria for classifying income as passive, including rules for material participation. Investment versus passive income. Passive income includes ventures with upfront work but minimal daily involvement as opposed to ongoing stock market activities classified as portfolio income. Passive income versus active income versus portfolio income. It's crucial to distinguish between three primary income types. 1. Active income, revenue from direct effort, including wages, salaries, and commissions. It forms the basis of most individuals' earnings. 2. Portfolio income, income derived from investments in securities, like dividends and capital gains, which do require some level of decision-making. 3. Passive income, revenue generated from activities where you don't materially participate, such as rental income and certain investments. Why passive income matters. Generating passive income can be pivotal for achieving long-term financial goals. Here are several reasons why. Financial freedom. The more passive income you have, the less reliant you are on your job to cover living expenses, allowing for greater flexibility in your life. Wealth building. Passive income avenues can serve as a source of capital for further investments, contributing to wealth accumulation. Time freedom. Unlike active income, which requires continuous effort, passive income can give you the freedom to pursue other interests or rest. 25 ways to make passive income in 2024. 1. Rent all or part of your property. Short or long-term rentals can fetch substantial monthly income. Income potential: $1,000 to $2,500 per month. 2. Store stuff for people. Rent out unused space in your home for storage. Income potential: $50 to $600 per month per unit. 3. Rent out items, rent tools, equipment, or your car. Income potential: $25 to $150 per day. 4. Bonds and bond funds. Invest in bonds for predictable cash flow. Income potential: 2% to 5% annual yield. 5. Content creation on YouTube. Create a channel around your interests. Income potential varies widely based on views and engagement. 6. Online courses. Share your expertise through digital courses on platforms like Udemy. Income potential: $50 to $500 per course. 7. Invest in real estate. Create passive income through rental properties. Income potential: $1,000 to $2,500 per month. 8. Sell stock photos. Use your photography skills to sell images online. Income potential: 1 cent to $2 plus per sale. 9. Design custom products. Use print-on-demand services for custom merchandise. Income potential: $5 to $50 per item. 10. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions on sales. Income potential: $100 to $10,000 plus per month. 11. Advertise on your car. Use your vehicle as an ad space. Income potential: $100 to $400 per month. 12. Peer-to-peer lending. Earn interest by lending through platforms like Lending Club. Income potential: 4% to 12% annual return. 13. Cashback rewards. Utilize cashback credit cards or apps for regular purchases. Income potential: 0.5% to 3% of purchases. 14. Create an app. Develop an app for income generation via sales or ads. Income potential, highly variable. 15. Flip retail products. Buy low and sell high on platforms like eBay. Income potential, $100 to $5,000 plus per month. 16. Automated dropshipping. Sell products through a dropshipping model. Income potential, $500 to $10,000 plus monthly. 17. Subscription boxes. Create unique subscription services for curated products. Income potential, $20 to $100 plus per subscriber per month. 18. Vending machines. Install machines in strategic locations. Income potential, $50 to $500 per month per machine. 19. License your music. Earn royalties for published music. Income potential, $0 to $5,000 plus per license. 20. Invest in index funds. Low expense ratio funds track market performance. Income potential, 7% to 20% plus annual return. 21. Create AI-backed tools. Develop applications that integrate AI for recurring revenue. Income potential, $5 to $100 per user per month. 22. Dividend-paying stocks. Invest in stocks that offer dividends. Income potential, 2% to 7% annual yield. 23. Real estate investment trusts. REITs diversify into real estate without direct ownership. Income potential, 1% to 10% plus annual yield. 24. Invest in a business. Provide funds for startups or local businesses. Income potential varies widely. 25. Buy annuities, insurance products that provide guaranteed income. Income potential, 3% to 7% annual return. Understanding passive income's tax implications. Engaging in passive income generating activities also comes with tax considerations. The IRS differentiates between types of income. Certain activities could qualify as passive income while others may not. Understanding this classification is essential, especially concerning deductions and offsets related to passive losses. Consulting with a tax professional is advisable to navigate these complexities efficiently. Conclusion. Passive income isn't merely a pathway to financial freedom, it's a vital component in the arsenal of modern investors and individuals looking to build sustainable wealth. The various methodologies outlined offer multiple opportunities you can explore, tailored to your interests, expertise, and resources. While each avenue has its challenges, a well-thought-out approach with diligent monitoring can turn passive income into a lucrative reality. By investing time upfront in these income-generating ventures, you can enjoy the ongoing benefits of earning while you sleep.